guys, for today's video we are going to be doing the 100 chicken nugget challenge. We're going to split it so he eats 50 and I eat 50. This is going to absolutely suck. Nuggets. I feel like I'm going to throw up, probably. I'm throwing up thinking of it.
Nuggets. Go to Dino Nuggies.
Dino Nuggies? That'd be lit.
Yo, Dino Nuggies be slapping. Don't let anybody sleep on Dino Nuggies.
Dino Nuggies are good, but we will keep you guys updated on which Nuggies we get.
Hopefully it's Wendy's Nuggies, because they're the best. Mode.
Say it again.
Feeding geese on X Games mode. We're out here with the lady that feeds geese for her free time. Oh, which way do I gotta go, dude? Where the hell am I going?
So, we're at Burger King. Apparently, well, up at school they had this deal. It was 10 nuggets for $1, but I don't know if that deal goes on everywhere or if it was just like a limited time thing, but we're gonna try because it's cheap. That's like real cheap for nuggets. Okay, I really think this lady like just drove here to feed the geese, and now she's leaving.
Burger King. 8-piece nuggets. Barbecue.
Get ranch and
You can also get ranch with that too.
say a lot of it.
No ma'am. Alright, thank you.
So we got 8 nuggets instead.
Ah!
Okay. Okay, so we got 64 nuggets in this bag. I just placed an order at McDonald's for a 20-piece nugget, a 10-piece nugget, and a 4-piece nugget.
You could have just gotten a 2-7.
There was no 7-piece nuggets. This dude's an idiot, but... So we're gonna go pick up those, and then we are going to jump right into this challenge. It is gonna suck. I'm not ready. How are you feeling? We only have 64 of the 100 nuggets. How do you feel?
I was feeling better before I saw them. Not gonna lie.
It's gonna be
And then I
awesome,
saw how
bro.
big the bag was, and I felt the weight of it. It was like I was holding an infant.
Now we got the rest of the nuggets with all the honey mustard. That is a lot of honey mustard. Now to go get some drinks and we will start the challenge. Okay, so we divided the nuggets 50-50 each. This doesn't look that great, but here's all my sauces. There's Burger King cheated Elijah, so we're gonna get some ketchup. But I'm not excited. How are you feeling?
I'm kind of hungry, so
After seeing all these nuggets, dude, I don't know. It doesn't look like 50, but I promise it's 50.
Oh, it's definitely 50.
It's definitely 50
It looks
each.
like 50. It looks like about 100.
It looks like 30, actually. But I promise it's 50. All right. I guess we're just gonna start eating nuggets.
I do have eyebrows, by the way.
God, is this a Burger King or a McDonald's nugget? It's a Burger King nugget. How many have you ate?
This is my second.
Oh.
The Burger King one sucked.
I mean, but for $1?
Like, I can immediately taste the difference in them, but
They're not bad for $1.
not at all.
All right, bro. I think I'm tapping out after one.
I think you're right.
Put 3 in my mouth.
Understand? I think increments of 5 really fast. Don't we have to do it 5 times? I think not 10 times. I think Wendy should have to deal like $1. Wendy's got the luxury of stuff. That's pretty bomb. And spicy nuggets, they know what they're doing. How you doing? So, Blake, let's put on a face like he's not feeling anything. For every challenge we've done. I could put on a face and I'll hop in another one. Hey, you did for a second and then you just go.
Also, shout out to the girl from Burger King. She had faith in us.
She just have faith. The McDonald's and Burger King logo up there.
We could answer some of the questions that we never answered for that Q&A.
Oh.
I answered like the 3 of them.
I had like 2, and one was, what is the biggest dookie you've ever dookied? From Gerardo Robin.
Gerardo made a question for me. He said, how long do we plan on doing this YouTube thing? until we make it big. One was, what's the YouTube channel? Well, the thing is, if you don't know the YouTube channel, you're not going to see this question. But it's Balake and Birdman.
Vlogs.
Yep.
Is dookies I've ever dookied, I guess? I don't know. I don't look at my dookie, Gerardo. Well, I'll tell you this.
We've ever seen.
The biggest dookie I've ever seen. It was about this big around. About like that long.
It was at the park.
It was at the park on
near our school.
On one of our runs. My buddy Matt goes in the bathroom. He comes back out, goes, you guys got to come look at this. So we go in there, and a turd about this big around and about this long, I kid you not. It was the biggest turd I've ever seen in my life. I don't know how that humanly came out of someone's butthole, but it did.
Also, let's come up with some more questions. Who's the better basketball player between the two of us? I'm gonna say this. I think I play better defense. Like, I play better lockdown. But he's a better shooter and a better dribbler.
But I'm not good, I promise.
Neither of us are good. Let me say that.
If you want to work in basketball, hit up Logan Carter.
Yeah.
He will sauce you any day of the week, I promise.
Skunky, probably 11-0. No problem.
Hand me the ketchup. Oh wait, I can't do that. I'll throw up. I was about to shove them all in my mouth.
Beep! I wish you could realize how painful the burp is.
Dude, I feel like I want to throw up.
Exactly. Like, I've eaten. Oh my gosh. If you had one phone a friend, who would you call?
Matt Stoney.
I'm calling my boy Corbin Shabonis Lanowitz. Dude is a trash can. He will literally put away any amount of food. This sucks. Oh man. Cherry one is pretty good.
Do we get a phone a friend or no?
I think if we get one, we should get Donna.
Okay.
You want to call him?
Mm-hmm. So we're gonna end up calling a friend real quick
because we're not gonna beat this, and we're okay with admitting that we're losers because we don't want to waste the money. Because this was probably the most expensive video we've done yet. Well, yeah.
No.
So we're gonna phone a friend, and we might come back with another guy. Please answer, Donna.
What are you doing right now, dude?
About to head out to Virginia Beach.
Oh.
I told you about this.
I know, I forgot.
Yeah, I'm heading out. I got to sleep in this morning, so.
Oh. Me and Elijah are eating nuggets for a YouTube video, and we're gonna phone a friend for help.
Oh, I'll be able to smash all that by myself right now.
100?
Yeah, that's easy.
Dude.
They're chicken nuggets.
Dude, you don't understand how much this is hurting, man. I'm gonna let you know. My stomach feels like it's imploding.
But again, you're only, what, like 140?
135.
135, and I'm 250, so I'm kind of 100 pounds more than you, and I eat more. DJ or Matt?
I'm gonna try DJ.
Oh, DJ might be able to.
All right, bro.
Alright,
See it.
So we're here with part 2 of FaceTiming one of our friends to,
Bro, I need your help.
What up?
You want some free food?
Huh?
You want some free food?
I mean, sure.
Come to my house and help us eat the nuggets, bro.
How many nuggets y'all get?
100.
Nigga, what? That's 50 nuggets a piece for you guys.
Yeah.
Why we? Huh?
You guys definitely need some help.
So if you want to pull up,
If you want to pull up, that'd be grateful.
Oh, yeah. Let's do this shit.
All right,
Yes, sir.
pull up. Hurry
pull
up.
up, bro.
Alright, bet. Say less.
We'll see you, bro.
Hurry up. Let's go. Let's
Okay,
go.
so we got our guy DJ. I don't know if you remember DJ. When was DJ was in the taser video?
DJ was in the taser.
He's the
video.
one that didn't find anybody.
He didn't find anybody.
But the thing is with DJ, give us a few words about DJ's stomach.
Oh, he could down food.
He could probably eat all this by himself. He put that face on,
How is it that we're like the skinniest of our friend group?
and we decided, hey, let's eat 100 nuggets.
So while we wait for DJ, I guess
Oh,
we're gonna sit here and eat nuggets. That sounds awful.
This is awful. Literally, like looking at these things now.
I'm gonna have PTSD. Someone's gonna be, hey, you want some chicken nuggets?
I got PTSD. I'm gonna keep
What'd
it
you say,
like
man?
cheap keep. I wonder how many I could eat in one. It's like I'm gonna count how many I have. You wanna count too? So
I'm getting a different plate to count them though.
yeah, that's fair. 1, 2. You're welcome, dog. I just caught a nugget to my leg.
That's not a good sign. I'm already at 10. 19, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 23, 26.
I'm at 30.
I'm at 28. So
Well, I'm gonna get down. I want to get to 25 real quick.
I'm gonna get to 25 too.
If we get to 25, I say we take a
Break.
breather because we've earned it.
Okay, let's eat the McDonald's one. DJ's gonna have crappy nuggets. When you watch the video, the DJ's not taking us to see. Gee, I don't know, pull my stomach up. That's what I
I'll pick up.
I feel bloated, bro.
I feel like if I pooped right now, it would shoot out like a rocket.
I'm not answering Ronnie's question. What do you mean? So, we know that many of you don't comment on our stuff anyway, but if you decide to comment this time, tell us your favorite nugget. We all know Wendy's makes the best with the spicy nugget. Sponsor me. I'm halfway.
There's people like Matt Stoney who eat 4 Big Mac meals. And you know, it's surprised with a 5th at the end.
It's crazy. I'm done with these food challenges. I did the what's it called, wing it, the insanity wing, East Coast wing. That sucked.
It's a great feeling. Being more than halfway there.
I got 2 more until I'm at halfway there.
I'm at 24 left.
It's not even my stomach at this point, it's at the taste of them.
Mm-hmm.
Because I don't eat McDonald's. I'm not gonna play Brawl Stars until I get to halfway.
This is the worst idea ever. Hey, but if we do finish this video, and if Elijah has said what he said is true about FaZe Clan not finishing it with 5 guys,
We're legends. We are legends,
that
dog.
that definitely deserves you to click that subscribe button down there.
And the post notifications over on this side. Hit the thumbs
Thumbs
up.
up because like
And follow me on Instagram at Elijah the Bird.
follow me too. Right there.
Oh, this hurts.
Be sure to follow our YouTube page right here.
I shouldn't eat too fast. I think my issue. Because I was putting down fast in the beginning. I was shoving them in there. This will make me be at halfway. I might be at 1 over halfway. I lost count. I think I'll be at 22 or 21 after this one. I picked up a Burger King one. It's plastic.
How bad is your stomach hurt right now?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
You know what this reminds me of? Going to CC's after that Salem Lake run that one time. I don't know if the camera picked that up, but he went. smells bad. Oh my god, my stomach hurts, and that didn't help.
Here.
Damn. He's already eaten one.
He's ate one nugget, so
sir.
the help is here. The help we need.
About to go crazy.
About to go crazy.
You about to eat 50 nuggets, dog?
Bro, I'm about to eat the rest of these nuggets. What
You
you
ain't about to
mean?
eat all.
Please go.
What you mean?
You ain't about to eat all of these, dog. I promise you, dog.
You think so?
I don't think you're gonna. I mean, I'm still gonna eat some more. I mean, we're gonna eat some more.
Yeah, for sure.
I want to get to at least eating 30. Because if I eat 30, I've eaten a third of them.
Well, you better hurry up then. Ooh. Pop YouTube. How you guys doing?
I accidentally got a women's bracelet for my birthday.
Alright, I'm gonna head out.
I mean, it matches your hair a bit, dog.
Go screw
You know?
yourself.
Huh?
Go screw yourself. Because they make men's and
They
women's.
usually do every day. What?
They make men's and women's.
Okay.
So I accidentally grabbed it. It was like on Zoomies and it didn't say like men's or women's.
Well, how you know it's a woman bracelet?
Because when it came in, it had women's written on the freaking packaging.
Can't tell the difference. No.
It matches your soul a bit, dog. And your hat.
That's my what?
Your soul and your hat.
What does that mean?
You a girl.
You call me a woman?
I mean, if that's what you think, then sure. Yeah, why not?
Your hair looks good though.
Appreciate it, dog.
Thank you.
Your hair looks good too, dog.
Thank you.
I really messed with the beard that's coming in right here. Yes, sir. Might get close and personal with that thing.
I shaved.
Mine's been here my whole life.
Look, DJ came now.
The womb, bro.
Yeah.
He goes,
That's how it was.
He said, I need to be shaved.
they tried to cast him for Duck Dynasty whenever he was like 2 years old.
Yeah, they said I was too hood for it though.
They said, sorry. We don't want
No.
you don't miss the vibe. You don't match that.
You don't get the vibe. I'm only 2.
You're already saying cuss words. You can't have that.
I don't give a damn.
You're like 5 nuggets, dude. Hey, 5 nuggets, what, 20? 25 each? Oh, actually, I'm like 30. I'm like 27 now. That's 6. They go fast at the beginning. They go fast at the beginning. No, as long as I have a drink, I'm fine. Where's the McDonald's one? I keep grabbing the crappy Burger King ones, dude. I don't want to eat those. Yeah, I've been eating all of them. Yeah, they're cheap. They're like $1 for 8. Very good reason, yeah.
So how much did you guys spend on this video?
Well,
$16 plus 2 for the drinks, $18.
It's crazy.
we'll have 3 for the drink. 19.
I mean,
For $20 if we round it up.
Yeah.
basically the same as going out to eat lunch, though. You go out and eat lunch and dinner.
That's somewhere like nice.
Yeah. And we got a whole meal for 3 kings.
This tastes like plenty at this point, like Play-Doh. Yeah. No, that's what about Wendy's. Yeah, Wendy's nuggets. That does sound good. Spicy. They had spicy Burger King, I found out right after I ordered. Don't they have stuff there? Hardee's too? Like little nuggets? Or those tenders? I think they have tenders. I think one of those is tenders. I think that's our next video. Oh my gosh, my stomach hurts. This is like, I bet. I think our next video idea. Getting a burger from every different restaurant. You know what's crazy? My dad went, what? It's good to me too. Yeah, strong. Eating. We were actually, we were talking about doing a nugget from each restaurant. But after this, I want to eat nuggets every day of my life. Everybody's gonna have the best burger for you.
I left on my plate.
Don't be BSing. You got somebody helping you, man.
I'm gonna help you too, but don't worry.
We got 9 left on my plate.
Then
As long as we complete 100 nuggets, it's a win.
A dub.
Victory Royale. Even though I don't think any of us play Fortnite anymore. I don't think I
It's
have
all about
it, so.
Warzone now, baby. I'm garbage at it. But I like to play it.
And he's really garbage at it is this one guy we know, Matt Rogers. He's dog crap at every game he plays.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely doesn't get like
You
a...
simp.
Yeah, you're definitely a simp. And you're balding.
At least you look good while you're doing it, but dog.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, look at him bald. Hello.
Right.
Hello.
Saran wrap?
Maybe.
But these are some good nuggets, though. Well, some of them are.
No, none of them are at this point, man.
Hey, I'm still beginning stages.
What is that?
My dad's running out the house. And we're gonna move.
Uh-huh.
She just moved in, like, yesterday.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna do this, you guys. Don't worry.
I'm about to start you off that plate.
20. My 4 left. No. Almost done.
Oh, this tastes so bad now.
Let me see a barbecue. Maybe that's why they switched up the flavors, you know?
That's what I'm thinking. But I don't really want to. Where'd you get ketchup? How would you get ketchup?
I don't like ketchup.
No, that's what I
I like
said.
ketchup. Ugh. And tomatoes.
You know ketchup's in barbecue sauce, right?
Huh?
There's ketchup in barbecue sauce.
But it don't taste like ketchup.
That's fair.
That's why I hardly eat barbecue. But I need it for this video. Every time I get something, it's either ranch or mustard.
Mustard?
Mm.
Ew.
Yep.
You know, I
Ranch
think
or
I hate
mustard.
Mustard? What is that? What are you doing? She's standing out there for it. She's doing the last airbender.
No, I was watching that before I was coming here.
Dude, that's a good show, dude.
Yeah.
I used to watch when I was younger, but I haven't got the time to watch it yet because I'm still finishing Jersey Shore. Yes, I just said I'm watching Jersey Shore. It's a funny show. Don't hate on it, DJ. It's a funny show. DJ.
What's that?
You look like a Cat Williams right now, dude.
Well, no, I was thinking of you remember on Rugrats? The
Oh, man.
girl with the dreads. Yeah, that's what I was thinking of.
Angelica's friend.
Yeah.
What was her name?
I think.
Yeah. Little light skin, or not the light skin, the black girl.
Yeah, the black girl. I think the only black girl on there.
Yeah, probably because it was still in a racist time.
I swear to God, early 2000s, boy.
I'm about to count how many we have left, dude, because we've got. That looks like 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 10, 13, 14, 17, 18, 21, 21.
Dude, I told you, dude. I said that looks like 20 right there.
21?
Did you count mine?
That's what I'm saying.
Ooh. Yeah.
You already ate the Chick-fil-A ones. So.
Yeah, he's definitely right, you guys. It's definitely right here. There's like 4 of the things in there.
There's 2.
2 of the things.
Oh, there's Chick-fil-A sauce in there, though.
That's the best sauce. Why y'all keeping it from me?
Because he took a bite.
I'm about to go poop. It's been about 45 minutes, and
None of us are feeling good anymore.
it's time to finish the nuggets. Feels like we ate at that Brazilian steakhouse.
I already said
Oh
that,
my
man.
God, that shit
He
was
wasn't
amazing.
here.
That
place
place
was
was
good.
amazing, yeah.
Are you guys trying to go rob that place?
For the food, most definitely.
Yes, there is.
Duty.
Yes, sir. Yeah, there is.
He respawns.
No response. Like 17 cases of water.
Have you guys noticed these things don't really pour? Like, you're like,
It's going crazy over there.
I think they're all Burger King left.
No, that one's not. Yeah, it is.
That's why I say, why do you get it?
Because I grabbed it. I mean, that Cowboy Brazilian restaurant was
It's really good, but really expensive. I'll go back though.
I didn't pay for it.
So I'm pay back.
Two Depot watches these videos, bro. You gotta leave that in, man. You gotta leave that in.
Sorry, Doripo.
Did not pay her back.
Matt hasn't paid her back at all.
Matt never paid her
anything.
That's a bomb.
Go get Matt, Joe Depot.
Yep. Don't cuss me out. I paid you back for multiple things.
Tell just tell Matt he owes you 80, and I'll cover DJ's meal.
I'll put. Ready, boys?
No.
I'm not getting that honey mustard on mine. That's gross. Don't look at me, man. I can't eat anymore.
They're way better than the other nuggets, though.
Fair.
Mm-hmm.
Follow me on Instagram, uglyGod_Jameson.
I'll put it above his head.
Yeah.
It's right there.
I might have messed up, but
I'll put
this
it right
food
there.
coma is gonna be crazy.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Turn on post notifications to see more videos like this. And we'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.